2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Huh?
13.
Very good. Way to go. You nailed that 13 again, girl. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Jumping in my lap again. Okay, let's do one more line of K's, and then we're going to go downstairs and we can cook.
Can I help you cook?
I've already cooked. I mean, all we have to do is put it in the oven. But you can help, yeah. Okay, let's go. How do you make a K, Miss Karis?
Well, Siriana.
Okay.
You.
Not there. On these three, see? Yeah.
You.
First you make a line straight down. Close. That's not close. That's closer. That's it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Way to go. Do me another one.
Uncle.
Yes.
Give me. Well, I want to look like a clown.
You already look like a clown. Believe me, you look silly.
But clowns have something else.
What else do clowns have?
Red hands.
Oh, no, we're not painting your hands, sweetie. No. No. No.
Okay, how about cheeks?
No, we're not going to paint your cheeks either.
Then what we can paint?
We painted enough, don't you think?
Red nose.
Ooh, excuse me. I'm sorry. Ooh, that was terrible. I probably scared you, didn't I? Uh-huh. All right, there's a K over here waiting for somebody.
I'm the teacher.
Okay, so let's teach us. Teach us how to do a K, teacher.
John?
That's too long. Why do you make it all the way down there?
This is how you do a teacher.
Okay, now let's do a regular K.
I'll show my kids, and then they're going to do it all by themselves now.
Okay. Show us how to do it.
You can be a teacher too.
Okay, you're losing focus. Let's get on the K's. How do you do it? First.
Three.
Hey. We ran out of ink. That's good line. Close. That's it.
Oops.
That's close. That's good.
Oh, but look, I made it.
Oh, the lead went away?
Yeah.
Click it. One time. Okay.
So. Ta-ta.
You know that's not good.